your group and try them again. Always remember that when there's a negative energy around you, past, present, we don't know about the future. It's your brain. Your brain is dehydrated. You're not taking as much of fluid in your system as you should. So think your brain is the masterpiece of your entire body, entire soul, and it can actually make you as live as possible, that if you want it, and can make you as dead as possible if you want it. So instead of letting your brain take over your body, in all the negative energies like anxiety, depression, panic attacks, crying mode, everything, get hold of your brain. Stay hydrated. I will, inshallah, like little way ahead into this session, I will share foods that are antidepressant, anti-anxiety, foods that you should eliminate from your system, that you shouldn't eat because you're anxious. Because again, everything comes down to your body, to your soul, the way you think, the way you're taking your brain forward. It's very easy to go into a negative zone. To go into the dark, it's very easy. But what about that little light at the end of the tunnel? Why can't we walk towards that? And we can only walk towards that is when we put ourselves right. The world is going to stay the way it is. We're having a bad phase in life with work, with money, with businesses, with family, with relations, because everybody has their own mind. Things are going their way. So why not start from ourselves?
And for that, I think acceptance is the most important thing. You
Most
have to
important.
accept that there is something. और उसके बाद फिर हम उसके ऊपर work कर सकते हैं. But the
बिल्कुल.
first thing is that you have to accept that there is something. Okay,
Yes.
I have a question. I have got a bad past of being assaulted twice, and now he's, I don't know, getting help with mental health, and I love him. What do I do? So
She had a bad experience with physical abuse, assault.
yeah, and
Okay.
she loves him, and she is now living with him. I think she cannot leave. So she
Okay.
said, what do she? And she said कि वो mental health ले रहे हैं. मतलब he's getting mental health.
Okay. Everybody, I feel that when you are in a situation of negative, this is called a situation of negative energy. If you are in a situation of negative energy, I feel that you should be staying very focused. Number one. Number two, staying very strong. Number three, having faith within yourself. And then again, opting for situations or counseling sessions, or maybe, handling, working, reading about it, how to handle the situation. Our social media is full of information. If you just put in one question into the Google as to how should you handle a particular situation, you will get the top 3 answers. So you don't, if you're not comfortable with a person, to talk to the person, or to get counseling from a person, and or to get a life coaching from a person, then I would suggest you to go to put your question into the Google. If you want to reach out to me personally via my inbox, you're most welcome, because I would want to know more details about it, because this question has a very deep rooted past. So how to come out of it, one question won't be enough. So you'll have to bring out more questions to it. You can inbox me those questions. I'll be happy to answer them.
That is very helpful of you. And again, I am saying आयशा जो है वो बहुत हमारी जो ग्रुप की है, बड़ी एक अच्छी मेंबर है, जो मैं अक्सर देखती हूँ कि ये बहुत आप क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देती है सबके, और ये बहुत एक पॉजिटिव बात होती है लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करना, उनको गाइड करना. तो this is so nice of you.
Look, I
Okay,
feel.
she's saying thank you very much, and I think she is going to contact you in
Sure,
future.
sure. I would love to have as many questions as possible, because that's what I'm here for. When you learn so much in your life through experiences, you want to give back to the world. So that's what I want to do. Part of myself is this way, that I want to give back to the world. And everybody here who is listening should know one thing, that everybody has faced negatives, bad situations in their life. It's just that we need to learn how to handle them, how to accept them, and how to step ahead.
Yeah. Aisha, I'm going to message you too.
Sure.
I want to talk to you.
Sure.
Okay.
Anytime.
So you think that there are some food that we have to avoid being anxious person.
Gee, okay. Now, the foods that you need to avoid having any negative energy, anger, depression, anxiety. ठीक है, इसके is for it applies for all the negative energies. You need to get out, remove caffeine. The caffeine, tea, coffee, we crave it. We live on it. We cannot do without it. So I would say, if you're having 2 to 3 cups in a day, bring it down to 1 cup a day. And maybe if you're adding 1 teaspoon of it, add half teaspoon to it. So if you're craving for caffeine, that is a major blockage role to your brain, because all the ingredients that are in a that caffeine carries is not healthy for your brain. When your brain is not healthy, your mind is not healthy, your heart, your soul, your thoughts are not healthy. So that's the first thing.
Okay, Aisha, how can the women of subcontinent live without, tea and coffee? Can
I would
chai,
suggest I would
can
suggest you to go towards green tea, or maybe go towards milk with a little bit of tea in it, or coffee with a milk with a little bit of coffee in it, instead of adding water, tea, boiling it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, so that all the ingredients
yeah.
become bad for your health, and then keeping that cup on the table for maybe 30 minutes, warming it repeatedly and making it more stale. So if you want to have
Yeah.
tea, 1 cup a day in the morning, most welcome. A half cup of tea leaves in it, and boil it with milk, with little bit of water if you want, and just have it. Milk is still going to be better for you instead of having water, tea with a little bit of milk. So have more milk. And then secondly,
Okay.
all these carbonated drinks that you guys have. Sorry, I'm cutting you, Aisha. All the carbonated drinks that you guys have, the energizers that you have, like Sting and Red Bull and Gatorade, that's in the US. And you're having Pepsi, 7 Up, Diet Coke. All these, the ingredients in that is not good for your brain. It's not good for you. Then all the processed food, we would crave for fries, with fried foods, burgers, pizzas, all the easy and less expensive foods. They are the most bad for your system. They have so much of ingredients in them that are going to make your brain, your body sluggish. When your brain and your body is sluggish, you are going to be having negative thoughts. You're going to be having bad thoughts. You're going to be anxious. And then craving on sugar. You have to limit sugar. Sugar is one, go for natural sugar. Go for brown sugar less. Go for honey. Go for organic honey. Go for brown sugar if you have to. I don't know what good is called in English. I still have to think. I did read about it, but I forgot. It's at the back of my brain. It's not in the front. But good. If you just add good on Google, they give you the English meaning to it. Have that if you want to as a sweetener. And eliminate dairy products. Butter, cheese, eggs.
Oh my
Go for
God.
egg white. Go for egg white. Dairy products such as cakes, biscuits, your puff pastries, your croissants, all these. You need to limit.
Most of the people are eating the right
Yes. Why is our world going towards depression? Why is our world going towards anxiety, panic attacks? It's because what we eat. So why not have all the fresh fruits? God has blessed us with such fresh fruits, has blessed us with vegetables, fish, have chicken, grilled. Again, red meat to a lot of extent would make you anxious also. So again, think of what you eat. Think of how you eat, and then again the timings of how you eat. People are going to have dinner at 11 o'clock in the night. That's when your body is totally simmering. It's in the mode of sleeping. How can you put food in the tummy? And when the food goes into the tummy, does not